Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Drive. Next thing you want to do is to go to Files. By the file you want to delete permanently, I'm going to select this file right here. For you to do that, click and hold down, and the file is going to be selected. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this trash icon. This is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to click on Move to Trash. Next thing you want to do is to click on this three slider. Then click on Trash. Then you have the file right here. Again, click and hold down. Click on this trash icon. This is going to pop up. Click on Delete Forever. It's that simple. For more tutorial on how best to use your Google Drive on phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.